Baby Gracie!
Yeah!
How you doing,
I
man?
love you!
I love you. Oh, there's a big kiss. How's it going, man?
How do you turn on the kid channel?
How do you turn on the kid channel?
Yeah,
In the
how do you
house?
turn it on?
How do you turn on the kid channel in the house?
Yeah, I'm over here by myself because Mom letting me.
Where's your mom at? You're not supposed to be home
She's
alone.
at Courtney's
Oh, she's
with
next door.
Alex, and I wanted to go home, and she said I could come here and turn on the kid channel.
Okay, yeah. Well, you just gotta press the power button. Press the power button on the side of the TV. You know how to do that, right?
Yeah, but I don't know what channel to get on to get kid channel on.
Oh man, I think the kid channel is channel maybe like 25.
I don't know what 25 looks like.
Get the remote.
On.
Get the remote. Get the remote. Get the remote. Get the remote for the TV and then press the number 2 and the number 5 when you point it at the TV. That should work for you. He was on a chair.
Bye-bye. I'll give you one more kiss.
Okay, one more kiss. Okay. Thank you, buddy. I love you.
Love you. Bye-bye.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye.